I know many of you are interested in ChatGPT and the incredible things it can do, but sometimes you want alternatives that don't require registration. Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 fantastic ChatGPT website alternatives that allow you to jump straight into conversations without any registration fuss. Let's uncover these hidden gems together. We are going to write 3 identical sentences in each of them and see if they react similarly. First on our list is Perplexity AI. This platform stands out with its clean interface and user-friendly design. This AI offers a seamless experience without the need for an account. The conversations flow smoothly, making it an excellent choice for those who want a hassle-free chat experience. Let's dive in and take a closer look. Now let's try our sentences. As we can see on the screen, a nice option available in this tool is the proposed additional sources in the form of articles and videos from YouTube. In addition to correctly generated text, we receive sources that can help us solve the phrase we are looking for. Next up is Vitalentum. This alternative prides itself on simplicity and accessibility. It's designed to cater to a wide audience, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. The best part? No registration is required. If you're looking for a platform that gets straight to the point and allows you to start generating conversations effortlessly, Vitalentum.net might be the perfect fit for you. Moving on to our third alternative, let's talk about Vuna. This platform brings a unique approach to conversations, and it's gaining attention for its distinct features. If you're looking for something a bit different and want to skip the registration process, Vuna could be the answer. A nice feature of this tool is the ability to generate 2 different texts and choose the one that suits you better. Our fourth pick is FindAI. Known for its clean and intuitive interface, FindAI makes your conversations hassle-free. There is also no registration required. Whether you're working on a project or simply exploring, this tool is worth checking out. As you can see, this tool tells us how we can improve our text. In the current example, it shows us what hashtags we can use in an Instagram post about Christmas. Last but certainly not least, let's explore our 5th and final alternative, DeepAI. This platform is renowned for its deep learning capabilities, making it a go-to for those seeking advanced features. If you're looking to dive into conversations without the need for an account and explore the cutting edge of chat models, DeepAI is one to consider. Well, we've taken an exciting journey exploring these 5 ChatGPT website alternatives that require no registration. Remember, the best choice depends on your preferences and specific project requirements. I hope this exploration has given you valuable insights into these alternatives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech-related content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.